In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Claude Opus. To get started, head over to the official Claude website by Anthropic. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is create an account if you don't already have one. If you've used Claude before, simply log in with your existing account. This part is straightforward, but it's important because access to Claude Opus is tied directly to your account and subscription level. After you're signed in, the next thing to understand is that Claude Opus is considered a premium model family. That means it isn't usually available on the free plan. In most cases, free users can access lighter models, while Claude Opus is reserved for paid plans. These paid options may include Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise, depending on what's currently available for your account and region. If your goal is to use Opus specifically, upgrading your plan is the key step. From your account, open the settings area. Inside settings, look for billing or an option labeled Upgrade Plan. This is where you'll find the available subscription choices. Take a moment to review the plans and choose the one that best fits what you need. For example, if you plan to use Claude more heavily for advanced work, a higher tier option may make more sense. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and complete the payment process to activate your paid plan. When your upgrade is finished, you're ready to switch over to Claude Opus. Start a new chat so you're working in a fresh conversation. Then open the model selector, which is the place where you can choose which Claude model you want to use. From that list, select Claude Opus. Depending on availability, you may see a specific version name, such as Claude Opus 4.8. Just choose the Opus option that appears in your account. Once selected, you can begin using Claude Opus right away. It's especially useful for tasks that benefit from stronger reasoning and more advanced output. That can include YouTube automation, long-form content creation, research, coding, AI agents, business planning, and document analysis. If you're working on detailed or complex projects, choosing Opus can make a noticeable difference in capability. And that's it. The process is really just creating or logging into your Claude account, upgrading to a paid plan, and then selecting the Opus model in a new chat. If you follow those steps carefully, you should be up and running with Claude Opus in just a few minutes.